So we are doing smoked mint samosa. So I'm making half the quantity over here, it saves time. So 250 grams of mince I'm taking. Okay, and then we'll add our ginger garlic paste to this. Now when you are using any mince, chicken, mutton, whichever, make sure this is the stage which is very important in your mince, whatever you are making, that you need to break this down at this stage. If you don't break this down at this stage and it starts getting those corns, you are not going to be able to break it at a later stage. So some salt. Now salt also, I always use that jara namak, what you call senda namak, whatever. Once you see that your mince has started breaking, then you can add your remaining ingredients. Now your remaining ingredients are red chili powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, garam masala, haldi. Okay. So once you see that your masala is almost ready and it's done, then you add your onions. So make sure that this is absolutely dry. Now in case if you're not sure just by looking at it, you can just take your spoon and press it slightly and see that there is no water coming out. That's your thing that it is done. If there is little bit water coming out, it means it is not done. Okay, so this is ready again and we'll just move this on side. We'll just let this cool down a little bit. Now whenever you're using samosa patti, if you're making homemade or use any brand, take a clean dishcloth, just wet it and then squeeze dry it, because pankhe ki hawa se then it starts getting hard. And in case if you have some leftover which has also got hard and then you feel ke ab ye nahi fold hoega, do the same thing, just wet this cloth and keep the patties in the middle of the cloth, keep it for some time, it will start softening and then you can use them. So you take any flour, maida, whole wheat, just mix it with little water and make it like a paste. So a lot of techniques, I follow the thumb and finger rule, that's my way of doing it. Use your thumb, use your finger. At no point you will leave your samosa akela, bichare ko chhodna nahi. Okay, so just hold like this, keep turning. Now here right now we are holding over here, so here we can leave and then keep turning and then you keep your thumb here, so you're not entirely leaving it. The minute you leave it, it's going to open. And then you can use some flour. Now if you are planning to freeze them, just take a plastic container, put a cling wrap or any plastic bag down, put another layer, keep putting layers and layers and then freeze them. You can have this whenever you want, but you have to fry them frozen. You cannot defrost them and fry, it will get soggy. So fry it when it is frozen, start for high heat, keep it a little bit on slow heat and then again increase the heat.